Everyone, Eileen Veilleux The Fam here. Welcome to another YouTube tutorial. And in this tutorial, we are going to be covering how to use TubeBuddy. It is going to be a two-parter, and I'm going to teach you all the things you can do with TubeBuddy and how to do it step by step. So saying that, let's get started. Okay, as you can see, I do have TubeBuddy. I have the TubeBuddy Pro version, which is a paid version and not the free version. Okay, even with the free version, you are going to have this on top. And to use it, you're going to click on it and it's going to bring you what you can do with it. And in here, the first one we're going to start with is the Keyword Explorer. So saying that, let's get to show you what that looks like. And this is your Keyword Explorer. This is where you're going to put what you want to have for the title of your video. Okay? And I will show you and you'll be checking here. And I will show you step by step on what to do. But this is how you find out about the words on your video. So let's move on. Okay, as you can see, I'm doing an old video. I'm redoing it in front of you so you can see how it's done. Okay, this is what I want for my title. And as you can see, I put a check mark there. After you do that, and the reason why you put the check mark is so it will show up here for your keyword selected. And then you're going to hit the Explorer, and when you do, this is what you're going to get. Hold on. Okay, this is what you get when you hit the Explorer. It shows you where you're going to rank. Okay, and hold on a minute here. As you can see, it's showing that I'm ranking very good. Okay, so that's good. That means it's an excellent title. And over here is where you would check to see if there's been any video searches, web searches for that title, or video topics on it. Okay, and down here is where you have your most used tags. In the free version, I believe you only can use 3, so you would pick the 3 of the top tags that pertain to what you can use. You don't want to just pick any of them. Make sure they go with your video. Okay, so I'm going to show you what that will look like. Okay, so here you can see I picked just the 3. I mean, I'm going to have more than that, but I'm showing you basically what you will have with the free version. I'm not sure now if the free version gives you 3 tags or 5 tags, but I did 3 just in case. So you see there's the 3 tags there. And with the title, because you want the title as part of a tag, gives you a total of 4. And if you're using the free version at that point, you would click here to make sure it says insert into current video and then click the insert. Now, like I said, I have the Pro version, and the Pro version gives me, of course, more. As you can see, I have a total of 13. That means I have 12 here, plus this makes it 13. So when I got done, I clicked the insert. I made sure this says insert into current video, and then I clicked insert. And this is what it came up with. Show you on the next one. Okay, so it's there. But I wanted to show you step by step on everything. As you can see, this is not that title. This one is my old title. So how to change your title to your new one, you just edit it, which it would be here. you put your name in front of whatever you want to do. And I'm going to show you why in a minute. Not in this one, but probably in the next one. But that's how you want to do that. Your name just as it appears on your video, and then what it is. Okay? And then here you'll have your description, which is what we're going to cover next. Here's your description. Okay? Now, as you can see, you have up to 5,000 characters. You want to use as much of them 5,000 characters as you can, just like you do on your home page with your descriptions. But you want to make sure it is relevant to your video and you're not just making a word salad for a description. Okay? Now, as you see on the next step, it's going to be how do you do your thumbnail. So we're going to go to that. I'm going to take this one off. Now, to do your thumbnail generators, which is part of TubeBuddy, I don't remember if this is available for the free version or not, but I want to show you how to use it, just in case it is. If not, at the end of part 2, I will show you the differences between the free and the paid version and how much the paid version is and what you really get with it. But these are just some of the things. Okay, so for the thumbnail generator, it shows you what type of background do you want for the thumbnail. You're going to click what you want, a solid color, image or existing thumbnail, and then hit continue. Now, I have my own already that's branded, which is right here, and this is going to show you what you have to pick from, okay, which is basically right here down. These are mine, okay. You can see this is my old one. You can see that barely right there, but that's my old one, okay. So we're going to show you what I did. I clicked on here where the X is. Right here, you don't want to click on the X though. The X will get rid of that. You want to click on the one you want. And we're going to show you which is a frame. There's my frame, my brand frame. Okay. Which is the same as this one, but this dog, although it's cute, it's not what I want. I want to change it up to give it more light. So I'm going to show you the next one. Okay, so the next one, when you want to put something in the frame, you're going to click to whether you want text in there, image, shapes, emojis, or templates. Okay, and then you hit continue. And I put an image in there, so I'm going to show you how I did it. These are the two images that I'm going to use here, the picture of myself and my YouTube. Okay? So you have them as before. You don't click on the X, you click on the picture, and I'm going to show you step by step. Okay, so here's the first one. I picked on the picture. So now I'm going to click on the image again, and then I'm going to hit continue, and this is